All right, thank you for joining us today. And in this video, we are going to practice still on set, union, and intersection, right? Let's jump right in. So we want to verify that the following results are true, right? We want to verify that the following results are true. So first, we want to verify that A union B union C all complement is the same as A complement intercept B complement intercept C complement. Right. So let's go through the same process. First, we let X be a member of A intercept A union B union C or complement should belongs to A intercept A complement intercept B complement intercept C complement. Then we are going to let X to be equal to A intercept B complement intercept C complement. It should belongs to A union B union C or complement. Yes. So that's what we are going to get. Now the next thing that we need to do is we pick the first one, then we solve, right? So let's go. I think we've done a lot of example. So I'll go very quick. So now when I pick the first one, I'm going to have X belongs to A union B union C or complement, right? So as I said, because of the complement is affecting all of them, we need to take care of the complement before we can expand. So if A belongs to A union B union C complement, then we are going to say that AX does not belongs to A union B union C. Yeah, so that's what you are going to have. So as I said, this now is what we are putting it here. So now we can expand. X is not in A, or X is not in B, or X is not in C. Right. So as I said, right after you are done expanding, the next thing that you need to do is you need to check where you are getting to, right? So we need to check the right hand side. So the right hand side, we need all of them to be prime, A to be prime, B and C. So what we are going to do is now we are going to change this one. So if X is not in A, then we are going to say that X belongs to A prime. And remember, anytime you are changing the something like this to this or something like this to this, the sign in front changes, right? As is even telling us that we need intersection, so we need N. So now all changes to and X belongs to B complement and X belongs to C complement. So now we can see that we have A complement, B complement, and C complement. So what we can do is we can factor X is a member, X is a member, X is a member out. So we are going to have X is a member, then we are going to have A complement, then we change the N to intersection. So intercept B complement, intercept C complement. So which is right here. Very nice. Which is right there. Very nice. So you can pause the video to try moving from this side to this side. Then when you are done, you confirm, you check if you are going to get what is there. So I'll go very quick here. So here we have X belonging to A complement intercept B complement intercept C complement. So let's do the expansion. X belongs to A complement and X belongs to B complement and X belongs to C complement. So as I said, let's check the right hand side. We don't have any of the prime, so we need to make sure we change from the prime. So X is not in A, then we change the one in front, which move from N to O. X is not in B, or X is not in C. So now we have X is not, X is not, X is not here. We can factor it out. So you are going to have X is not. What we left? A then the or is the union B, another or here is the union C, right? So now we've gotten something like this. So we are coming here. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to pick X belongs to A union B union C complement. So now this one comes here like this and come in B complement here. So this is how this is the end of the proof. So what you are going to say is, since this is in this and this is also in this, therefore this is the same as that, right? So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to change this one to intersection, and then this one will be union. Then we'll go through quick. You can pause the video to try. So we are done with this one. We are done with this one. We want to check this one. So this one, what I'm just doing is I'm changing this to intersection here. So the process will be the same thing. Let's go through quick. So let X belongs to A intercept B intercept C complement, then they should be in A union B union C complement. Then X belongs to A complement union B union C complement should be belonging to A intercept B intercept C complement. So let's pick the first one. X belongs to A intercept B intercept C complement. So we just did one here. We need to take all of the complement before we start expanding. So X is not in A intercept B intercept C. So if X is in this complement, then X is not in this when we don't have the complement. So when we want to expand, we get X is not in A and X is not in B and X is not in C. So since we are done with the expansion, let's check the right hand side. We have A prime, B prime, C prime. So we need to make sure that they are all prime. So this one will be A belongs to A prime, then the sign in front will change. X belongs to B prime, and then the sign in front will change. And then X belongs to C prime. So we can see that we have A prime, B prime, and C prime in. So what we need to do now is, since we have all of them, we need to factor this, this, and this out. So we are going to have X belongs to, so this one now become A complement, the OR is union, B complement, and then the OR2 is union. So this is what we are going to get, which is right here. So the same thing, then you pick it from this side to this side. So let's do it quick. We have X belonging to, X is in A union B union C, or complement. So we can expand, or X belongs to B complement, or X belongs to C complement. So the dream is to get here, and we don't have any of them to be complement A, B, C. So we need to make sure we change it. So X is not in A, and so the OR changes to, and anytime you are changing either a complement to not a complement, or from not a complement to a complement, the sign in front should change. So X is not in B and X is not in C. So this is what you are going to get. So now, since we have A, B, C, we can factor this, this, and this out. So we are going to have X is not a member of A intercept B intercept C, right? Because we want to put them together. When I factor this one out, it will be left with A and B and C. So NN is the intersection there. So finally, we are going to have X belongs to A intercept B intercept C, or complement. So this shows that this is also the same, since this is in this and then this is also in this. So this is the end of the proof. See you in the next video.